Welcome to this complete beginner's guide to installing Windows 11. If you are ready to install Windows 11 on your PC for the first time or just need a refresher, this tutorial covers it all from the start to finish. We will go step by step from backing up your data to downloading the Windows 11 ISO file, creating a bootable USB drive, and completing the full installation. By the end of this video, you will have a brand new Windows 11 setup ready to go. Let's dive in and get started. In the first step, you need to make a backup of your important and necessary files and data, such as file and data that are on the current Windows drive, and they will be permanently deleted after installing the new Windows. So therefore, make a copy of all files on the external hard drive or on a flash memory. Now, if you want to know in which drive your current Windows is installed and their file is completely after the new Windows be deleted, go to this PC and here you can see all of your drivers. Now, most of the time the C letter is your Windows drive and you can see the Windows icon. And after that, to be sure, when you go to this drive and see Windows user and program files, it means that you are on the right drive, which is your Windows drive. So the desktop folder, as you can see here, all of the file will be deleted. The download folder, all of the file will be deleted, documents, and for pictures like this. So get a copy of all of the file you can see here and which are important, and actually paste them on the hard drive or flash memory and keep them safe. This step, we will start downloading the Windows 11 installation file. To do this, go to Google and after that search for download Windows 11 ISO file. As you can see, download Windows 11 ISO. Then enter on your keyboard and after that on the result page, on the first result, you can see download Windows 11, which is official Microsoft link. Just click on it. Scroll down to see this part of the page. Download Windows 11 disk image or ISO for 64 devices. And on the downside, you find out a checkbox. Select download, click on it. And after that, guys, select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO file for 64 devices. Click on download now, wait a couple of the seconds, and after that on select product language, select your language to install your Windows 11. I will continue by English. I'm in the default. Confirm, wait a couple of the seconds, and here you can see the download link for 64-bit devices. When you click on it, the Windows 11 installation file will be downloaded for you and you can download the file. The size of the file is about 5 GB. Just start to download it and wait a couple of the minutes. Well, after the download of the installation file is complete, you should have a file with these specifications. As you can see, file type is ISO and the size is about 5 GB. And in the next step, guys, we will download the software to create a bootable USB drive with this file. With this ISO file to prepare a flash memory for installing Windows 11. This step, guys, we need the software to burn this ISO file to a flash drive. Just go to Google, enter, and after that try to search for the software name, which is Rufus. Just type like me, guys, Rufus. As you can see, enter, and on the first result you can see the official link of the Rufus. Rufus.ie is the website link. Let's scroll down and here on the download tab you can see some version of the Rufus, which is depending on your system structure, x86 or x64. Just download, tap on the standard link, click on it, and you will see the download link. Just click on the save and start to download the file. Actually guys, the file size is so small and it doesn't take any time to download it. Now here is actually Rufus software to create a bootable USB drive. Now in this step, just right click on the Rufus file and run as administrator. Wait a couple of the seconds and after that you will see the interface of the software. Don't see anything in the device section. It is because you have to connect your flash memory drive, which must have at least 8 GB capacity. And now plug your flash drive, and here you can see on the device tab my flash name, which is Silicon Power, and actually it has about 8 GB capacity. In the boot section tab we have 4 options: non-bootable, disk or image, MS-DOC, FreeDOC, which we select disk or image file. And in the select tab, just click on it and actually choose your Windows 11 installation file, which we downloaded on the previous step. And here on image option we have 2 options: a standard Windows installation and Windows to go option. In fact guys, when you want to install a specific version of Windows 11, use this option. Otherwise we use the standard Windows installation and I choose this option always. So select it, and here guys on partition scheme or partition style, you need to define which partition style you use to create a bootable flash drive. If you don't know guys what is your partition style, don't worry. Just hold Windows key on your keyboard and R, or go to search and search for run, and after that type here disk mgmt.msc, and after that click on OK, and you will see disk management actually part. And here you can see guys your hard drive. I have a 3 hard drive here, and you must select the hard drive which you want to install Windows 11 on it, and right click, go to properties, volumes tab, and here on partition style you can see your partition scheme. As you can see guys, for me is GPT. My friends, if you have problem about this, I have a full video in the channel which you can see here, and I will also mention the card of that video here for you. After watching that video, you won't have any problem to find your partition scheme or your partition style. In the volume label actually section, you can choose a name for your flash drive. In file system, you don't need to actually do anything, just continue by the default, and on cluster size just like this, and after that click on start, and you have some option here. Again we will continue by the default, just click on the OK, and wait guys, and here you can see the text box. This message tells you that if you have an important file in your flash drive, make a copy and move it to a safe place, because the information inside this flash drive will be completely erased. After that click on the OK, and depending on the speed and power of your computer, it may take between half an hour or 45 minutes to be ready. So be patient and wait, and don't touch anything. Well, after the steps of creating a bootable flash drive have been completed, you should see the ready word in this section. It means that the flash is completely ready and you can start installing Windows on your hard drive. In the next step, you should restart your computer and then go to your BIOS page and set your system to boot based on this flash memory drive. And guys, in this step, you should try to search and find your BIOS page button on your PC or laptop. It's so easy guys, let me show you with a just simple search, just BIOS boot menu key, search this actually phrase, you can find it out what is your actually laptop or what is your PC actually BIOS button page. Let me show you actually this example, which is so easy. So as you can see, for Dell laptop is F12, for HP escape button, for Lenovo again F12, for Toshiba F12, which is so simple. Now in the next step I will show you actually myself, and it's actually case study example. So my friends, here is how to do that. Just as you can see, for myself actually is Asus mainboard, and just I need to actually press delete button continuously and see my BIOS page. Just restart your PC after you created your bootable flash memory drive, and after that just press your BIOS page button continuously till see the BIOS page. Let me show you how to do that. Just after the restarting loading is finished, try to press the button. Just after the screen goes black, try to press the button like me. As you can see, tap 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 till see the BIOS page setting. So here is, as you can see guys, I'm on the BIOS page. Just you need to actually find the boot menu on your actually BIOS page. For me is here, just click with my mouse, or if you have another option, just try to find the boot menu. And as you can see, you have some option to select your hard drive, Windows Boot Manager, and you must find your actually flash memory name. As you can see, for me was Silicon Power. As you can see here, UEFI Silicon Power. Just click on it and actually put it on the first actually boot option. Just click on it, and after that you will go to the Windows setup page. After see this loading, tap on enter on your keyboard, and after that we will transfer to the Windows installation page. So just be patient and wait, and you will see this lovely blue page. Here guys, you can choose your language to install your Windows 11, time and your currency format, or your keyboard or input method. So I always actually continue by the default. So here you can select your language. By the way, you can select your keyboard or your input, and after that click on the next. Now click on install now. Here guys, in this section you must select the version of Windows 11 that you want to install. Here we have a Windows 11 Education actually version, Pro version, Pro Education version, Enterprise version. Guys, you can see some version of Windows 11, the front of them you can see the letter N. It means that guys, this version doesn't have multimedia actually on their version, so don't try to install them. Just try to install the version without letter N. And actually guys, my advice to you is install Windows 11 version Pro. As you can see, I always install this version. After that just click on the next. Here just actually turn on this checkbox, I accept. And here guys, we have two options, upgrade and custom. When you choose the upgrade option, it means that the Windows you are currently using will transfer all the settings and files you have on it to the new Windows. Actually, in case when you move from an older version of Windows to a new version of Windows, such as Windows 8 to Windows 10 or Windows 10 to Windows 11, you can choose actually this option to upgrade your Windows. But if you choose the custom option, it means that the Windows file you are currently using will be completely deleted and removed. And finally, you will have a new and refresh actually Windows, which is so great. Actually guys, I always recommend this option, and I personally install my Windows like this way. So click on second one, which is custom, and here guys you have an option to partition your hard drive, format your actually file, and again make a new partition, delete it or extend it. In cases where you installed a new hard drive to your system and you want to install Windows on it, you see unallocated space. Actually, it means that your hard drive is not partitioned and you cannot format it. Before that, you have to click on the new option. Here it will ask you how much of this hard drive you want to partition. In most cases, we partition the maximum size of the hard drive, which is actually by the default. Just click on the apply and partition your hard drive. After that, you will see a message and it means to add 2 more drives to this partition. Click on the OK, and as you can see guys, we have 2 more drives which are actually contain Windows files that are essential and you cannot delete them later. As you can see here guys, on the type you can see the system and MSR, which is reserved. So guys, there is another point here. In case where your hard drive is not new and you have already installed Windows on it, you do not need to click on the new and partition your hard drive. Just click on the format option and select the drive on which you want to install your Windows on it, and just click on the format option, just like this. Select the drive that you want to format, select it, format, OK, that's it, and just click on the next. And actually the process of installing Windows 11 starts on your hard drive. Depending on the hardware on your computer, your Windows installation time may vary, but it can take about 5 or 15 minutes. After the installation is finished, your computer will restart automatically and we will do the rest of the installation process. Just be patient and wait guys. After restarting, a series of steps will be done to load. During this time, do not touch anything, just wait and be patient. And after that, you will see this lovely white page, which is to start your Windows 11. So we have some option and we must set the settings. Here guys, you should select your country or region. So depending on which country you live or you want to select your country or region, I will continue by the default United States and we will go to the next menu. Here try to choose your first language keyword for your input method. I will again select by the default, and here guys it's time to select your second keyword, which is related to your native language or your first language. Now let me choose my native language that we need for some searches on the internet or some local software. So just click on the next, and here select another type of your language, just add layout and be patient and wait. The loading you see is because Windows wants to download the latest updates and do it for you. So wait until it's done completely. It will take a couple of the minutes and maybe your Windows will be restart again automatically. So be patient and wait, and we will go to the next step to customize our Windows 11. Here guys, you have an option to write your name for your PC, and for example I will try to type my device again, or you can skip it for now. Just write your name and click on the next. So in this section you can connect your Windows to your network, but I prefer to click on the I don't have internet. So I will click on here, and you can do that like me, and here continue with limited setup. Whatever we need, we can do it later guys. So trust me and just click on the continue with limited setup here and wait. And here guys, again you can choose a name to sign into your device. It's for user account. Again I will choose a name, and here you can set a password if you need. I will again skip it. And here guys, you have some option to manage your privacy and security settings. You can turn on or turn off these options. As you can see, you can check each of them, and if you need turn on or turn off like locations or another option, I will actually leave them all turn on and click on accept. Again guys, we have some loading. You must be patient and wait, and just wait guys, and be patient. Don't touch anything or don't turn off your PC. Just wait to see the end, and that's it guys. Congratulations guys, we did it with each other. We installed Windows 11, as you can see, easily and fast, which is so great and lovely. Actually guys, I personally like the environment of the Windows 11 very much. It's very modern unlike the previous Windows, and it has a actually up-to-date look, and it's very practical. In the next step guys, you can use software that automatically detects your hardware and finds the relevant drives and install them automatically for your actually drivers. Maybe I create a new video about that, but we are finished here guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this guide made installing Windows 11 easy for you. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below, and I will be glad to help. Enjoy your new setup and see you in the next video.